So, I'm starting the first series of AWS services. My favorite service is AWS Lambda. So, what is Lambda? Lambda is a serverless way of running your piece of code. Your code can be 100 lines, 10 lines, 1000 lines of code, and without thinking about purchasing a compute capacity like EC2 instances or ECR or whatever it is, right? You can quickly accomplish a part of task or group of tasks that you want to complete within a few seconds and less than 15 minutes, right? So what kind of technologies does AWS Lambda support? It basically runs on Linux operating system, a skinny operating system, and it can support Node.js, Python, .NET, Java, or the skinny Linux operating system. Whatever you want to do with any of these above said languages or packages, right? You will be able to run any of the workloads. So, what are the favorite workloads that Lambda has seen? Something like accomplishing a task with file handling, right? You have a bunch of files and you want to process those files, go for it. And anything to do with IoT, Internet of Things, constant influx of data from different processing computers, small computers, go for it. And anything to do with mobile backends, right? If you have a mobile app or if you have a web app, and if you want to process any of the data coming from that, go for it. Data streams, for example, any data that's coming out of huge backend logging, right? For example, anything comes out of CloudWatch log groups, you want to constantly monitor and look for issues, go for Lambda, right? And the beauty of Lambda is it's totally provisioned, right? We don't have to think about how much of memory we need, whether we need this kind of processor or this much of capacity that's needed, whether it's scalable. Nothing, everything is taken care by AWS. It's called serverless provisioning, and any kind of workloads that can complete within 15 minutes, right? AWS Lambda can be used. More to come next.